In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Vibration and Haptics. Now you can use this switcher next to Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decide to enable them, you can also adjust all of those options however you want to. For example, by tapping on this switcher next to Ring Vibration, you can enable or disable incoming calls once. If you decide to enable this option, you can also tap on the switcher next to this one, vibrate first, then ring gradually to switch it on as well. Then do exactly the same to notification vibration, alarm ones, touch feedback, and even media using switchers next to them. When you are ready, go back, scroll all the way down, and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!